Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nafa Video Production. Today I am at Bhutan Choki, which is located in the Bhutan border in the district of Baksa, BTD, Assam. This is one of the most beautiful picnic spots in the district. This is only 44 kilometers away from Nolbari Ganesh Mandir, National Highway 31. You can start your journey from Nolbari, Boroma and Kotomtal Sok, National Highway 31. And if you were starting from Nolbari, just move straight towards north via Dhamdoma, Baganpara, Noya Bosti, Subunkata, Uttar Kusi and Bhutan Choki. So we have already crossed the main gate. Very sorry to tell you, I could not manage to take even a click there. So you have to pay entry fees for your vehicles, and this is very nominal, very good. Manas Sosikhongko Ecotourism Society is the main organization to promote this site. It's very beautiful, very neat and clean, well maintained. So alluring beauty of this picnic spot is really awesome, very beautiful. This is the home of many wild animals and birds. It's very beautiful. There are so many plum trees, local plums here. You might have seen. It's a beautiful, beautiful stream is flowing. Oh, we have got our scooty stuck in the dust. It's very dusty. Very sorry to tell you, I couldn't manage to get the cars, even a bike today. So sorry. I have to take my scooty today. Yeah, we will manage to go to the place at any cost. Yeah. My nephew is handling the camera. He's following me. Wow. It's okay now. He has got onto the scooty again. Let's start again. Let's start. Let's go. This is convenient for bikes. So many bikers come here by bikes. It's very nice, comfortable and convenient. It is very nice. Beautiful, really beautiful. Though the road is zigzag. So we are likely to get the main picnic spot after a while. Main attraction of this picnic spot is meeting mountain ranges, Pawaldia river and a small stream flowing just both sides of the main spot. It's very incredible, very beautiful. Wow, very beautiful. The place is getting wider. Wow, so spacious. Beautiful stream is flowing. Wow. The meeting of mountain ranges, so beautiful. Wow, it is so spacious. Yeah, very beautiful. I think we're likely to get the main spot very shortly. Wow, wow, very good. Yeah, finally we got the main picnic spot. Very beautiful. Yeah, Yeah, many fellas are here. Many fellas are having fun. Yeah, a group of picnic party. Wow, so many people are here today. Yeah, many buses, many vehicles are there. Wow, wow, so beautiful. Yeah, so many people. Yeah, some vendors are here selling oranges and some fruits. Many students are seen here. Many buses are from schools. They are for educational tour here. Wow, my son Dahar is playing with his cousin. Wow, we have got the main spot. Yeah, very nice. Incredible. Wow, so many trees are here to rest in. Yeah, let me park my scooty here. Wow, very beautiful. Oh, so many people are here enjoying, dancing, having fun with friends. So many vehicles. Wow, so beautiful, very nice, very good. Yeah, so many people, full of people, and it is very spacious and beautiful. This is the main spot. You can park your car anywhere. So nice, very nice place. Wow, the trees. Yeah, very nice. So this is my wife. Yeah, she is very happy to be here for the first time. This is my son Dahar. He is very happy. Yeah. This is his cousin, my nephew, and these beautiful girls are my sisters-in-law. They are really very happy to be here for the first time.